Quick 7.5 hour on gold. Very easy day if I'm being honest. One of the better trading days we've had in recent weeks. I mean, I've greatly reduced the number of trades I've been taking just because the market conditions have just not been too favorable for my strategy. So I've just mainly been sitting on the side. I mean, we did have 7.5 hour today and another banger on Tuesday. I think that was around 4.5 hour as well, which brings a total roughly like 12 hour for the week. Yeah, and let's not waste any more time, and I guess right into it. So going on the high time frame, we can clearly say that we're finally bullish after a long time of being bearish and just like chopping around, which I did not like at all because I love to just buy gold, and I've been doing that for the past sorry, the past 2 3 years. Yeah, I mean, if I even go to the sorry, if I go to the 6 months chart, yeah, like I mean, you would be dumb to like sell this. We're just literally being on an uptrend. So yeah, let's not get too distracted and let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So we already know that we're bullish, yeah. And then for some reason, trading viewers decided to mess everything up. Okay, one sec. Before I took the position in the morning, when I woke up, we just formed like this 1 hour fair value gap, yeah. So right over here. So essentially, I'm just looking for a retracement to this 1 hour fair value gap, and these are usually at like 50% or it's usually 50% or 61%. But sometimes when gold is very bullish, we do not get the deep retracement at all. I mean, you can see here like we barely got any retracement at all. And the 1 hour fair value gaps, they do tend to get filled quite often, yeah. So we waited for price to retrace to the 1 hour fair value gap, and I can't lie, we just chopped around for so long. I almost closed the trade, but then I knew like, okay, fine, if price is consolidating, we're just gonna have a big move later on, and it's most likely going to go in my direction. How do I know this? Because it's just market experience. Previously, I would just get like mentally drained from all the consolidation, and I would just like exit the trade, and then it would just go to my favor, and then I would just get like so annoyed. So now I'm just like, I mean, if you enter the trade, you accept that it's going to be a loss, so there's no reason to close it early. Either full SL or like a TP or like partials on the way. So we have finally had retracement of the 1 hour fair value gap. We got a 5 minute inversion over here, which is what I kind of use. I mainly use bullish engulfing bars or inversion fair value gaps. If you don't know what it is, honestly, just Google it. It's a very popular concept. Yeah, this is a fair value gap here, and we get a candle close above the wick. I mean, you can use an indicator that just gets these out for you. There's a fair value gap here, and you just need to get a close above the gap. And these are the indicators that I use in the top left. And yeah, and sometimes when prices consolidates like this for a long time, I just get another entry. Yeah, it's not like, see, we got like another one. We literally got another fair value gap. That's when I basically entered over here. And then we got another one here. Now, if I'm being honest, I could have entered on another one over here. But if I'm being honest, I just missed this. I was away from the charts. Because I don't want to be reading on my mental energy just looking at the charts all the time. Especially, yeah, apologies, I got interrupted. But basically, what I was saying was that I already explained I had the same bias because we left equal highs over here. And I entered off this beautiful 1 minute inversion over here. Put my stop loss over here. And I mean, because we already had like a sweep of these lows, so I kind of knew you were going to hit with speed, especially because we left these two equal highs over here. And then this was like 3.5 hour. And this was roughly like, these were like roughly 4 hour from like both the trades. So it was a good 7.5 hour day, quite easy. If I'm being honest, I missed these easy days because the past week has not been too good. And just to add, I forgot to mention this earlier, we had this beautiful trend line over here, which I was targeting as well. Because when I woke up, we didn't take out the entire trend line. We only took out like these three highs, but we didn't take out these two. So like these two, like I don't think this one got taken, but this one finally got taken out, and then we kind of dumped. I think we also had like some more news later on, which I don't want to get into. But yeah, I mean, I do send free trade analysis, forecast setups with the entry, stop loss management. I also guide you or when you should take partials and move your stop loss to break even, because you need good risk management. And if you're interested in something like that, check out my free Telegram. And if you want something even more than that, I also offer like a paid VIP Discord, which I don't wanna get that into now. You can just join my free Telegram for now. I just have the setups from there, and I'll see you on the inside.